friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make fish fingers. You can use any fish. I have used basa. We will marinate this with a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a spoon of pepper powder, quarter spoon of coriander powder, a spoon of salt, and oregano. Let us mix this. We need to cut into slices. Forgot to tell. This is basa fish. I have cut into the shape of fish fingers and marinate this for 20 to 30 minutes. The fish has been marinated since half an hour. I've taken some maida, egg, and breadcrumbs. In this breadcrumbs, I'm going to add some pepper powder, and also some oregano. Mix it well so that the coating will have some spiciness. Let us take one fish, dip it in this maida and then into the egg, and then to the breadcrumbs. This is it. Maida, then the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. Like this, we'll coat the whole fish. I have coated all the fish fingers with the breadcrumbs, maida, and the egg. So now you can keep it in the fridge in airtight containers for a month also. But now we are going to fry some of this. I have taken a kadai, pour some oil. Let us see whether this is hot. Yes. So now we'll put the fish fingers. Let the heat be in the medium. Let us flip this. Let us take this out and keep it in a tissue paper. Fry the next batch. Friends, this is the fish fingers that I have made today. It has become very crispy, and inside you can see this can be eaten with mayonnaise or tomato ketchup. Friends, if you have liked my recipe, please share, like, and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll meet you with another video. Thank you so much.